What's up, big dogs? We're back with another video for the Honda. We are going to be putting these rear brackets on. As y'all can see, this thing has a nasty ass gap. I've already tried to screw in over here as much as I could, but it just won't go up no more. So we're about to remove the bumper and see if we can install these clips. They are some regular ass eBay ones, dog. I was gonna buy some expensive ones, but I mean, shit, it looked like the same quality. These things are actually pretty sturdy, so we're gonna try it out and see how it comes out. You know what I mean? Not too bad for I don't even know, 50 bucks I think I paid or something like that. So it was better than spending the $200 on the other ones. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try this and see how this shit goes. Let's remove this bumper, big dogs. Alright, big dogs, I'm gonna put you on the phone stand. Hopefully that works. Same thing as we did the last time, taking off the bumper. There should be a screw on this side. Then pop your hood, take off all these little clips. I want to be careful with this damn hood, because since I put that wing on it, this thing is heavy as hell now. It will just fall down. There's another one on the other side. Go ahead and take that one off. Fucking wind, man. Hasn't been windy in a while out here in New Mexico. I'll pick up on nasty now. You know what? I think there's some underneath. Check real quick. Oh yeah. Need a screwdriver for that. Some more. It's two of them little pop-off ones at the bottom. And just like that. It's out of there. I need some pliers right here. With the screwdriver. You can do it with the screwdriver. Popped it on off. Check it out. Alright, big dogs. Went ahead and got the impact and the socket wrench, size 10 on both of them. Put that side in already. Gotta do this real quick. That looks pretty good right there. I'm gonna leave it right there for now. Do the other side and see when I put the bumper on how I like it. Alright, so for the bumper side, I'm gonna go ahead place this on there like that. But I mean, I guess we can drill this hole right here and we can drill this one right here. I'm not gonna drill that last one because that shit does not sit too nice, but these other two I'll probably drill them out. Let's see how this goes. Alright, we got our holes drilled out now. Alright, big dogs, I struggled a little bit with these ones, but I was able to get them in. So let's put this bumper back on now. Alright, big dogs, can y'all see that? Actually slapped in real good. I kind of had to bend it down a little bit just to get it over that little hump that bumper has that it holds on to. But all I really much did was grab the screwdriver, kind of bend it a little bit just to put the lip over it. Once the lip grabs it, you're good to go, dog. Look at that. That shit's hella nice. Go ahead and do the same shit on the other side. Damn. That other side came out sweet as fuck too. Check it out, dog. For them being some, they're actually pretty good, dog. I got them off of eBay. I'll see if I can put the link in there. I'm not quite too sure on how to do it too well or put the link, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. But if not, I'll put like a parts number on there or something where I ordered it from. But damn, this shit sits hella nice, dog. Hella nice. Let's go ahead and check the other side. Look at this. Close it up real well, dog. Real well. That's exactly what we're looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything back together now. Shit is good to go. Just reverse the steps and lock it all down, yo. There y'all have it, though. We got it all back together. Like I said, I didn't order the Mac lift. I just ordered the eBay brand. The reason I ordered the eBay brand, it looked like the same quality. It looked like metal and all that, and I can't even lie, guys. Like this, it did a really great job. Well, now just to see how long it'll last or whatnot, but I don't see why it wouldn't last. It's metal. You know what I mean? Gotta see what we could do to fix that little crevice right there. But other than that, it sealed it up pretty good. Like, the quality of the hardware was definitely a 10 out of 10 so far. I mean, it was nice and strong. like they gave you enough. I mean, you got the job done. We're just gonna see when we ride around hitting all these bumps, but I mean, I don't see why it would loosen up, you know what I mean? Just tighten it up. When you bolt it on, just tighten it up. Looks like it's good to go, big dog. So damn, that shit looks hella clean. Look at that shit. This shit is clean, dog. Way sexier, dog. That shit looks beautiful. Well, I appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all got your fire extinguisher, big dogs. But there she is, big dogs. That's it. Hella nice. Now we're just waiting on I ordered some yellow. I think I'm gonna do the inside yellow. So I ordered some yellow rubber bands right here. The front sits good. The only thing I don't like is right here in the very front. Check it out, guys. This big old gap right here. I don't like that gap. So I don't know how we can do it to lift this up or what. I'm about to look up some videos. This is my first time doing like working on the Honda, like I've told y'all before. So we're learning as we go. We'll see what we can do to fix that. I guess that's not the original bumper, or I'm not too sure. So there it is, guys. Appreciate y'all for watching.